How to automate workflows in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Zoho CRM website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to automate the workflows in Zoho CRM, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home page at the bottom left, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. In the left hand side, you can see the settings menu appear. And over here in this automation section, you can see this workflow rules option. Tap on it. From here, you can create a new workflow rules. Tap on this create rule button. You can select a module. You can give this a rule name and provide a description for this rule. Now from here, you can customize different set of rules for this. You can set when to perform this rule. Over here, you can set more conditions. You can read through it and select accordingly. You can automate the actions from here. And there you go. You can similarly configure more rules in order to automate workflows in Zoho CRM. You can also schedule calls, meetings, emails from Zoho CRM too. In this way, you can easily automate workflows in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.